Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to import contacts from Gmail to iPhone. First of all, what you need to do is to open up your settings on your iPhone. After that, scroll down until you find the contacts option here. So simply you need to tap on it. Then tap on the accounts option. After that, tap on add account and then choose Google account over here. Now enter your email address and then tap on the next button. After that, enter your password here. And if you don't remember your password, then simply tap on forget password. After that, tap on continue. Now scroll down and here tap on the allow option. Now ensure that the contacts toggle is switched on. Once done, then simply tap on the save button at the top right corner. Once you are done with this, now open up your contacts application on your iPhone. Now you can see that all of your contacts are synced to your iPhone. Now let us see another way to import contacts from Gmail to iPhone. So for this, firstly you need to open up your Google Chrome. After that, search for the Google contacts, then click on this link. Here, select the contact and then click on the three dots. Now in this menu, click on the export option. In the pop-up, choose vCard for iOS contacts and then click on export to proceed. Then connect your iPhone to your laptop and you will see your iPhone storage here. After that, open up your iPhone folder and you will import your contacts here. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.